By definition, therefore, every human contact is anxiogenic. Every touch, every interaction, every exchange and interchange and intercourse with another person leads to anxiety. Because prolonged anxiety leads to depression, results in depression. I think anxiety and depression are the attendant affective hues, the attendant affects, or the attendant states of mind embedded in an integral part of every interaction with another human being. And so we perceive people as triggers of anxiety and depression, and we wish to avoid them, to shun them, to isolate ourselves, to withdraw. And yet we socialize. Why do we socialize? Why do we bring this upon ourselves? Why do we subject ourselves to other people's gaze, thereby triggering in us anxiety? Because socializing with other people is the cost of the gaze. We define ourselves through other people's gaze. We maintain a sense of continuous existence and being exclusively through other people's gaze. We establish the boundaries of the self through other people's gaze. And so we are addicted to other people's gaze. We cannot survive without it. And it is experienced as a psychological need, as I said. And the cost of these gaze, the price we have to pay, is socializing with other people. The huge revolution in the past 20 years is the invention of the artificial gaze, a non-human gaze, a machine gaze, as embedded in social media and in artificial intelligence. It's a giant revolution in the sense that now we can derive a perception, a self-perception of existence. We can maintain a cohesive, coherent self, personal continuity, boundaries between us and the world. We can maintain all these functions using machines. We no longer need human beings. In this sense, the artificial gaze is cost-free, costless, cost-free. We no longer have to pay the price of socializing with other people, having to tolerate them, having to somehow accept